So I'm here to talk about SHARE, the Survey of Health, Aging and Retirement in Europe, which was founded in 2004. I was too young to be there, so it was 12 initial countries. And also, the idea very often in Europe comes from across the ocean or from England. So SHARE was modeled, intentionally harmonized with HRS, the Health and Retirement Survey in US, and ELSA in England. So that was important to be really harmonized across other data surveys. So for guide, if there is a US survey which you can harmonize to, that would be the first. That's how we started, right? So that maybe it's a good advice. Initial SHARE is a panel survey. The survey is every 2 years. Each country is supposed to maintain 5,000 respondents aged 50 years and more. Today we have 27 countries plus Switzerland and Israel. Initially, SHARE was financed mostly or exclusively from EU grants. And now, of course, everything is decentralized. So now each country has to finance itself, its own field work, which is very hard to coordinate. So well-running administration and management is very important. For the content, we still till today, we are trying to be harmonized with US, England, and other surveys like in China, India, Mexico, aging surveys around the world. The core interview every 2 years is complemented with additional parts like national special drop-offs. We have a life history questionnaire, which is extremely important, interesting source of data, linking 50 years old people to their childhood and their life history of experiences and events. We want to collect biomarkers and objective measures, because all these, so SHARE is a copy survey, and we were adding biomarkers, accelerometry, physical measurements, and all these objective measures to add to the subjective data, which is important for lots of scientific fields which have a hard time with subjective data. Probably we try to be kind of more hard data oriented. That's maybe because we were, as HRS, were funded mostly by economists. So it's more like data oriented, what you see today, what Gabriela was presenting. So that's maybe one distinction to what Guide is or will be collecting. For the future, times are changing. We need to be flexible, modern, experimental, innovative. We want to. We also have Marcel as our data guru, and what he was showing today, we want to do, and that's the plan: to use very different, flexible tools for field work.